We gotta get that TV out.
Good news! I just found $3 in my pocket and peanut M&M's, so we don't have to spend money on tea.
Throw the ball. Throw the ball. Throw it. Drop it.
Good throw. Ready?
Come around here. We gotta catch the ball. We gotta catch it. Get ready.
Ooh.
Okay, throw in the ball.
Good throw.
Okay, get ready. No.
Ready? Oh, Grandma.
Okay, go.
Woo!
Yeah. Well, that's enough of that. Thanks.
Get her to say that again.
I can't. She does it on her own. Where's Rick? Where's your daddy?
Dad?
No, Rick. Loud. He can't hear you. Loud.
Rick.
Where's your daddy?
What?
Holler for him.
What?
Holler louder. Rick.
I just
I don't know.
Dad, Rick.
I know. Where's your daddy?
Dad,
Daddy? Where's Rick?
Rick.
Louder.
Who?
Rick.
Down.
Rick.
No, kick down.
Rick. Is that right? I didn't know that.
Rick.
Where is he?
Who?
Who? Rick.
Oh.
I think you need to be changed.